Hello guys, welcome back. This is lesson 5. I'm Sri and this is Gwen. Okay, so here is what's gonna happen. From lesson 1 to lesson 4 we have learned few basic words. Me and Gwen gonna teach you how to use it in one sentence. And what we're gonna learn today is, what do you want to eat? Gwen.
你要吃什么? So basically from the lesson 1 to 4 we already learned all the words that I just mentioned just now. Like ni is what? Ni is what, Sri?
Me is you.
你要 is
Want.
yes. 你要吃什么? 吃 mean eat. 什么 is
What?
yes. When you make it a question, it's like 你要吃什么? What do you want to eat? Repeat it again.
你要吃什么？你要
吃
你要
is eat.
Okay, 你要吃什么？
Yeah, correct.
What do you want to eat?
Yes.
Alright. Now Gwen is going to learn it in Tamil. So in Tamil, if you want to say what do you want to eat, how do you ask that in Tamil is that நீ என்ன சாப்பிட போற? நீ என்ன சாப்பிட போற? So நீ is you, என்ன is what, sapida means to eat, pore basically means going, it's po go, but in this sentence it becomes a question mark. So நீ என்ன சாப்பிட போற? When say it.
நீ என்ன சாப்பிட போற?
நீ என்ன சாப்பிட போற? Say it again.
நீ என்ன சாப்பிட
Sapida pore.
போற? நீ
Sapida.
என்ன சாப்பிட பீர?
நீ you
நீ
என்ன
என்ன
what sapida pore. நீ என்ன சாப்பிட போற?
நீ என்ன சாப்பிட இன்ன?
நீ என்ன? Say நீ என்ன first.
நீ என்ன
சாப்பிட போற. Say sapida pore. நீ என்ன சாப்பிட? Yeah, say repeat it again. நீ என்ன சாப்பிட? நீ என்ன சாப்பிட? சாப்பிட. Say சாப்பிட. Okay. நீ என்ன சாப்பிட? போற. Okay, say it again. என்ன சாப்பிட போற? சாப்பிட போற.
நீ என்ன சாப்பிட போற?
Yes, you're right. Okay guys, now you can go and ask your friends, what do you want to eat? Alright, see you in the next lessons. Bye.
So if you make it so
Okay, so now okay, it's not in it. Okay, so
ni enna sapo what the word that means sapo